All right, this will be a fun one. No clue what this is. No clue. But it looks very old. There we go. 50. So I guess the box is from 1950. Or it's a box in a bag, so not too sure. Too sure what we're looking at here. Oh yeah, that's old. Okay. Well, that's cool. The Chartola Company. Direct from the factory to the public. That's interesting. Yeah. Factory guarantee bond certificate. So this original box has seen better days, but we'll include it. Mandolin guitar, some sheet music. It probably came with all this stuff. There's a bunch of sheet music here. And it's going to need to be tightened and cleaned up. It's dusty. I don't know what this is. Not a clue. But the Chartola Grand, $30, which I'm guessing was a crap load of money back in the day. So soak it all in. I'm not messing with it. Strings, they're all there, it would appear, but they need to be tightened. And again, there's a cool, like a dove or a parrot or something there. And as you can see, yeah, it just needs to be dusted off and, shined up. But that is cool. That's a cool find. Oh, here, the tack needs to put back in there. Here's the back of it. A little crack there. But again, I know nothing about this stuff. So I'll leave it up to you to know what you're looking at. Still, I don't know, I think it's kind of cool to find something like this. Yeah, whatever. There you have it. The Chartola Grand. Distributed exclusively by the Chartola Company, 87 Ferry Street, Jersey City, New Jersey. So, boom. Ooh, real quick. I think I figured out what this does. Oh. Huh? Maybe. I don't know.